The Indian Ocean nurtured among the greatest civilizations in the world. Giving them a calm water to navigate, a warm climate to prosper, and a mesmerizing nature to understand beauty. In an attempt to discover all of this, I embarked on a journey from the Maldives to Mumbai. Here's my story. A strip of over 1,000 islands pointing like an arrow to the Indian subcontinent. The Maldives have gained a growing international fame since they've opened to tourism about 50 years ago. This turned them from a fisherman's hub to one of the most popular nature destinations in the whole world. Which makes sense. Over 1,000 species of fish fill the country's waters with vibrant life, of all sizes, shapes and colors. Blue, red, yellow, with dots, with stripes. Tiny like a shrimp and big as a shark. Oh wait, now that I think about it, I've had an encounter with an actual shark. Wait, let me show you. So, here's a footage of me being scared to death. So, a great variety of plants and animals. But the Maldives don't stop here. Taking a boat to the capital, Malé, showed me a part of the country ignored by most tourists, in which the local lifestyle is still strongly visible. A unique culture with its own language and alphabet. Certainly worth discovering. The Maldives appear to me as a complex, fragile beauty. A country blessed with a nature every day more endangered by the rising sea levels. Experiencing a tourism that has brought many opportunities, but simultaneously increased the living costs, forcing many local Maldivians to leave their historical homes and move to more affordable ones in the periphery. This highlights our responsibility as both tourists and humans to protect such a fragile beauty. A beauty that I will encounter throughout my experience, sailing the Indian Ocean.